In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off VPN Proxy in Windows. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead, go to search box and go inside settings. Now I have settings open over here, and then once you're inside settings, click on the left where it says network and internet. Now when you are here, first you want to look for proxy, which should be down here somewhere. Click on it, and in case it says on under manual proxy setup, and then use a proxy server. So if this is on, you want to click on setup at the very top right over here, or at the right, and then here in case this is on like this. So if it says on, you want to click edit over here and then make sure this is turned off. Click on save and then you're good to go. Now this is the first thing, and then if you are using a setup script over here, make sure you click on setup or edit over here as well, and then turn this off and click on save. So that's the first thing. Now after you've done this, you can go back to network and internet over here, look for VPN, should be the third option, click on VPN, and then inside here, in case you have any valid VPN connections over here, simply remove those, and then you'll turn off your VPN and proxies in Windows like that. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.